This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Cs2 and going straight to Settings Audio Voice, because that's where input routes live. Once there, select your microphone device and choose Push-to-Talk or Voice Activation. Push-to-Talk prevents background noise, while activation is hands-free. You should set the input volume around 75 to 90% and watch the mic meter as you speak. This ensures Cs2 receives a clean signal. Make sure to bind a convenient push key in the keyboard settings so you can speak reliably. Once done with input setup, configure who hears you and how. Select Team Only for strategy or Alt Chat for wider comms. Proximity features change audibility based on distance. Adjust voice quality and packet rate to balance bandwidth and clarity, and consider toggling noise suppression if it clips your speech. You should test using the in-game voice loopback or join a low-stakes server to check latency and clarity. This reveals whether your network mic or settings are causing distortions, so you can iterate quickly. To finish, verify OS and Steam mic permissions so Cs2 can access your device, then join a match and speak to confirm teammates hear you. If problems persist, check NAT type, firewall rules, and whether another app is holding the mic. Disabling background recorders often fixes conflicts. As a quick diagnostic, swap to another headset or update audio drivers, or route voice through Discord or Steam chat to isolate whether the issue is Cs2 specific. This narrows the fix to network, driver, or in-game settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.